In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete notification rule on Google Sheets. If your inbox is filling up with update emails you no longer need, removing a notification rule is quick and easy. I'll walk you through it step by step and share a few helpful tips along the way. First, open your web browser and go to Google. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to manage. Being in the right account ensures you see the correct files and have permission to change their settings. In the top right corner of the Google homepage, click the grid icon, the Google Apps menu. From there, select Sheets. This opens the Google Sheets home screen where you can see your recent files and any spreadsheets shared with you. Find and open the document where you want to stop notifications. You can click it from the Recent section or search for it by name. Once the spreadsheet loads, look to the menu bar at the top of the page. Click Tools. In the drop-down, choose Notification Settings. This is where Google Sheets keeps all the email alerts for changes, comments, and other activity tied to this file. If you don't see this option, double-check that you have edit access to the spreadsheet. In the Notification Settings window, click Edit Notifications. This opens the list of existing rules on the file. You'll see each rule summarized, such as the type of change it tracks and how frequently emails are sent. Find the rule you want to remove and click Delete. This action only removes the selected rule and won't impact any other settings or rules for this file. If you're working in a shared sheet, remember that deleting your rule doesn't affect notification rules other collaborators may have set for themselves. A confirmation prompt appears. Click OK to confirm. Once you do, that notification rule is gone, and you'll stop receiving emails triggered by it going forward. The change takes effect immediately, and there's nothing else you need to do. If you ever decide you want alerts again, you can return to the same notification settings area to create a new rule tailored to your needs, such as only receiving a daily summary instead of immediate updates. And if you had multiple rules to remove, just repeat these steps for each one. That's it. Simple and clean. You've successfully deleted a notification rule in Google Sheets and reclaimed a bit of inbox peace. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you'd like to follow along in real time.